ordered a comprehensive, total operation there to root out those bandits. And our deployment is a proactive deployment to make sure that those hoodlums, the perpetrators of those acts, do not infiltrate into Osun State. That is why proactively we are making this deployment, so that our men will be handy to be combing our forested areas and ensure that those hoodlums do not infiltrate into Osun State. And it has been a success. There has not been any attack within Osun State. You agree with me that the operation which we've started earlier on is a success. The deployment you saw today is an additional deployment to beef up their strength on those axes. We'll play with information. So appealing to members of the public to also be abreast of the situation and ensure they report any suspicious movements to our men. Our men are always available, and any information will be treated with utmost confidence.
Where you there? Where you there?
Sir. Morning, please. Where blind space was there? Here or here?